If you've been snacking on these thinking they're good for you, you might be sabotaging your waistline without even knowing it. Today, I'm exposing 3 so-called healthy snacks that can actually cause stubborn belly fat, and I'll show you what to eat instead so your metabolism stays in full fat-burning mode. I'm your friend, and on this channel, we break down food myths and share nutrition tips that actually work. If you're serious about getting a leaner, healthier body, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. The first culprit is a snack most people think is a health hero: flavored yogurt. Sure, yogurt can be great for your gut. It's high in protein and calcium and can help with digestion. But here's the problem. Most flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugars. Those sugars can come in many forms, like high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, beet sugar, agave nectar, and more. The sneaky part is that many yogurts, especially the low-fat or light versions, add loads of sugar to make up for the lack of fat, and don't be fooled by those fruit-on-the-bottom options. They may seem like a healthier choice, but they usually pack the same amount of sugar as the rest. So why is this a problem? Well, when you eat foods with added sugars, your body quickly breaks them down into fructose and glucose, which can spike your blood sugar level and trigger the release of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps move sugar into your cells to be used for energy. But too much insulin, especially for a prolonged period, can cause more problems than it solves. When there's a lot of sugar floating around in your bloodstream, insulin tells your body to store the excess sugar as fat. And where do you tend to store extra fat? Right in your belly. So if you're having flavored yogurt hoping to curb your appetite and burn some fat, you might be doing just the opposite. You get a quick energy rush followed by a crash that leaves you feeling hungrier and craving more sugary snacks. So what should you eat instead? Go for plain, non-fat Greek yogurt and add your own fresh berries or a drizzle of raw honey. Plain Greek yogurt has none of the added sugars, and the protein will help keep you full longer. Berries are naturally sweet and provide antioxidants without the excess sugar. Raw honey is a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Up next, let's talk about a snack that seems like it should be healthy, but it can actually wreak havoc on your waistline. Granola bars. Many people consider granola bars a nutritious snack. After all, they often contain oats, nuts, and seeds, right? But looks can be deceiving. Many granola bars are little more than glorified candy bars. Here's what to watch out for. Ingredients like refined grains, brown rice syrup, honey, dates, or other sweetened syrups. The problem with these ingredients is that they cause your blood sugar levels to spike rapidly. This triggers an insulin release, which can lead to belly fat storage. Also, most granola bars are low in protein, which means you'll probably be hungry again soon after eating one. To make matters worse, because they're so filling, you might not realize how many calories you're consuming until it's too late. So what's a better alternative? If you need something on the go, grab a handful of raw almonds or walnuts and a piece of fresh fruit. Almonds and walnuts provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Meanwhile, fresh fruit offers natural sweetness and fiber without the added sugars. This combination helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and keeps you in fat-burning mode longer. Last but not least, let's discuss a snack that many believe is healthy, but can actually lead to excess belly fat: dried fruit. Now I know what you're thinking. It's fruit, right? How can it be bad? Well, it's important to distinguish between dried fruit and dried fruit. As with any food, the more concentrated it is, the more potential it has to cause problems. Most dried fruit is packed with added sugars, preservatives, and sometimes even coated in syrup. This is especially true for those chewy dried fruits like fruit leather or fruit roll-ups. Additionally, because dried fruit doesn't have the water content of fresh fruit, it's incredibly easy to overeat. You can easily consume the sugar from several pieces of fruit in just a handful of dried ones. When this happens, you flood your system with fructose. Your liver quickly turns this fructose into fat if it's not burned for energy. And guess where that fat tends to go? Yep, you got it, your midsection. So instead, opt for whole fresh fruits. Fruits like apples, berries, or pears provide natural sugars, but the fiber and water content slows down sugar absorption and keeps you satisfied longer. So to recap, if you want to keep your body in fat-burning mode, ditch the flavored yogurts, granola bars, and dried fruit loaded with sugar. Instead, go for plain Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of nuts with fresh fruit and whole fresh fruits. Remember, sometimes it's not about eating less. It's about eating smarter. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more food and nutrition tips, and comment below with which snack surprised you the most. And if you want my full list of fat-burning snack ideas, check the link in the description. See you in the next video.